This is Warrior the bird. We got him to take a bath. At first he was just sitting there. And we finally got him to take a bath. I was kind of bugging him with water by doing this. He finally took a bath. I just got him to do this. You know, seeing him real actually, it's actually easier. Seeing it on this, looks like he's barely doing anything. I'm not kidding. Look at the screen, look here. Doesn't it look better watching it in real than it does on the screen? Looks like he's not even doing anything. Oh, like a second delay. Look at all the dirt that's coming off of him. Well, we finally got him to take a bath to get all the dirt off of him. He's got quite a bit there. Actually, should be clean. I think after a little bit, this is, you can see Warrior just walking around now. Probably trying to throw hair out saying, I'm all clean, time to get out. Oh, wait. Just so I didn't miss a spot here.